traveling 90 kilometers per hour at the speed find the distance traveled in 20 seconds. Now you finding the distance in 20 seconds. This is the time is given in terms of seconds, and here car is traveling, the speed is given. Now solution part, speed is equal to here speed s is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. Now here time is equal to here 20 seconds is given. So in terms of here time is 20 seconds is given, here 90 kilo. Now this converted into meter per seconds, 90 into 5 by 18. So this is the 9 18 ones are 18, 18 5s are 90. Now 25 meter per second. This is the speed is equal to convert into the meter per second. Now 5 by 18, now 25 meters. Now time also in the seconds is there. So now total what we are finding the distance here only. So distance is equal to speed into time. Now here speed is equal to here 25 meter per second into time is equal to 20 seconds. So second will be cancelled. Now 20 into 45. Now 25 into 2 50, 500 meters. The distance is in terms of meters, the distance is 500 meters. Again, once again, a car traveling 90 kilometer per hour at the speed find the distance traveled in 20 seconds. The speed is given 19 kilometer per hour. Now this convert into 90 into meter per second, 5 by 18 multiply with 25 meter per second. T is equal to 20 seconds here. Now distance is equal to speed into time. Now speed is equal to 25 meter per second and 20. The second will be cancelled. Now total distance is 500 meters. Now see the next problem. 9th problem. A car traveling in 45 kilometer per hour, certain distance and again coming back 55 kilometer per hour, certain distance and coming back 55 kilometer per hour. Then find average distance. Then find the average distance two places. The average distance, find the average distance. Now my solution part is here. A man covers certain distance. This is the distance. Now the 45 kilometer per hour. This is the. Now again coming back. This is the 55 kilometer per hour. Then find the average speed of the entire journey. The two places average speed is equal to 2 times of 45 into 55 divided by 45 plus 55. Average speed, I am finding the first one going to like this. This is the one part. Again coming back, these are two places. Multiply with 2. First one is 45 and second one is 55. Average, I am finding the average distance divided by total 45 plus 50. Now average speed is equal to 2 into 45 divided by into 55 divided by here 100. So here 2 ones are 2 50s are. So again 5 can multiply, 5 10s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. So multiply this one again 45 into 11 divided by 10. So shall I calculate this one? 50 ones are 55, 11 fives are 55, 50 is there, 11 fives are 44, 44, 49.10 is equal to 49.5 kilometer per hour. The average speed is equal to average speed is equal to 49.5 kilometer per hour. This is the entire journey. A man traveling 45 kilometer per hour, this one is a certain distance is same distance is both places, the distance is constant. So again back 55 kilometer per hour. Now again the average speed is equal to this is coming and back, two places traveling, so multiply with 245. First part is 45 kilometer per hour and second one is 55 kilometer per hour is equal to 45 plus 55. Then multiply, then average speed is equal to 49.5 kilometer per hour. Now see the example. A man traveling now village to town in x kilometer per hour and coming back town to village in y kilometer per hour, then the average distance is is 2 times of x into y divided by x plus y. Then the first formula, time and distance, the average speed is equal to 2 times x into y divided by x plus y, or a man cover certain distance x kilometer per hour and the same and coming back certain distance y kilometer per hour, then the average speed is equal to 2 times of x into y divided by x plus y. This is both are the same. See here, this is the village and this is the village, this is the town. So this is a coming to like this same distance will be constant here, and this one also town to village, then the town to village distance also constant. Then when the distance is constant, the average speed is of entire journey is equal to 2 times of x into y into z town. Now again this one also this same coming back and certain distance covered, this is the total x kilometer per hour and this is also y kilometer per hour. Then the distance is constant here, distance is constant, then same problem will be the average speed is equal to 2 times of x into y into divided by x plus y. Now again relative speed, see the relative speed. Relative speed is equal to relative speed a man going towards a man going towards a man going towards at the speed of s1 kilometer per hour, and again return back at the speed of s2 kilometer per hour, then the relative speed is equal to s1 plus s2, both will be added here. The man going towards the speed s1, the man is going to s1 speed, and again now coming back the opposite direction, the direction will be opposite. Now both should be added. The relative speed is equal to s1 plus s2. Then again a person going first half of the journey, first half of the journey at the speed of s1, and the second half of the journey at speed of s2, then the relative speed is equal to s1 minus s2, or s1 greater than s2, or s2 minus s1, or s2 greater than s1. See here. Now problem number 10. Now a person moving at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and again return back 45 kilometer per hour, then relative speed, then find relative speed, then find the relative speed. Now this is the person is going like this. The person is moving the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and again he is returned back at the speed of 45 kilometer per hour. Then the relative speed is equal to s1 plus s2. Relative speed is equal to s1, nothing but 40 plus 45 is equal to 85 kilometer per hour. His average speed is different, here relative speed is different, so 85 kilometer per hour. In the same way again now I am finding the relative speed in the different positions are there. Now how to find out? Now a person going first half of the journey 40 kilometer per hour, and second half of the journey 60 kilometer per hour, then find the relative speed. Then relative speed is equal to, so one is moving the first half of nothing but the this is the starting point, the first person is there here. So here this coming to the first person is half of the journey, this going to the 40 km/h, and again in the second half of the speed is 60 km/h. Then the relative speed is equal to what? Relative speed is equal to total one is there, S2 minus S1. Shall I calculate 60 minus 40 is 20 km/h. So this is the to finding the all this one the relative speed. Then when the directions is opposite, the relative speed is plus here. When the direction is opposite, in the same direction is there, the same direction is there, like this same direction is there, the relative speed is here minus. Now this is called as the relative speed to finding the time and distance. Now see the next problem. A bus traveling 45 km/h. Find the distance traveled in. Find the distance in 12 seconds. In 12 seconds. A bus traveling in 45 kilometers, find the distance in 12 seconds. Now this is the 45 km/h is given and the seconds is given. Now the second problem, the 45 km/h. Now this converted into meter per second, 45 into km/h is given. Now meter meter per second, you are the otherwise the 20 seconds is given. Now 5/18. So 5/18 nothing but 3 6s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So again 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 15, 25/2. This is the 25 meter per second. Now the distance is equal to, find the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Now the speed is equal to 25/2 meter per second into 12 seconds. Second will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So 25 into 6 is equal to 150. This is the distance in meters. So the distance is in terms of meters. And 12th one, a boy reached 10 km/h. Reached his school, and coming back 50 km/h. Find his average speed. Find the average speed. Find his average speed. Now the relative speed is given here. Again reach 10 kilometers and his school and back to his journey. Now the again is the coming back the same places. So this is the what 10 km/h, and again return, what is the return is here now 15 km/h. It is not relative speed. Then you find out the average speed. Average speed is equal to, can be written as 2 times of, so into 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15. So here 10 into 2 into 10 into 15 divided by 25. 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are is equal to 6 2s are 3 2s are 6 6 into 12. What is the kilometer per average speed is equal to 12 km/h. This is the, now say the 13th problem. Now a boy going to school, a boy going to school 10 kilometer per hour, a man going to school 10 kilometer per hour at the speed, and coming back to home 10 kilometer per hour, no sorry 20 kilometer per hour, then find the entire journey time taken 5 hours, then find the distance between now school and home and office, home and school. So this is my question, very important question, this one. The boy going to school 10 kilometer per hour, the coming back to 20 kilometer hour, then entire journey time taken 5 hours, then find the distance between home and school. So the solution parts here. Now finding the distance between home and school. Now let us assume that home and school distance is equal to, I am taking here x, distance is x. Now x kilometers, this time is given 20 hours, this is the x kilometers. Now first one is journey, the man is going to this is the home, this is the school, this is the school. The man is going to the school 10 kilometer per hour at the speed is, now at the speed of 10 kilometer per hour, this going to this one 10 kilometer per hour, and again school to home, again he is taking here what, now 20 kilometer per hour. I am not taking any relative speed. Now I am finding the only distance between these two places. What is the distance? Here distance is constant, so that's why I am taking the school, and distance is x kilometer per hour. Now time is given. Now distance by speed is equal to time. So the relation is distance by speed is equal to time. Now the time also is given here. Time is equal to 5 hours. Therefore distance I am taking x. First one is here 10. Now again I am taking here minus, here same again I am, this is the whatever the distance is constant, minus x by 20 is equal to, what is the time? Time is also is given 5 hours. So now LCM is 20, 2 times is cancellation, 2x minus, here 20 is cancellation, x is equal to 5. 2x minus x is equal to x here. X is equal to 20 into 5, now is equal to 100 kilometers. So x is equal to how many kilometers? 100 kilometers. Now find the distance between the house and school is, what is the 100 kilometers. This is the, to finding the distance, very important problem, finding the distance house and school. See here, a man going the school 10 kilometer per hour and again coming back to 20 kilometer per hour, then distance between home and school is, this is the distance is constant, home and school. So taking I am distance is school x kilometer per hour. Now again this is the first one is home to school x by 10 minus this distance is constant, so that's why we had 2 times is calculated, so 1 time is subtracted here. X by 20 is equal to 5. So 2x minus x by 20, now x is equal to 20 into 5, so 100 kilometers. So this is the to finding the distance school and home and school. Now see the next problem. Now next problem I am going here. A man going to home, a man going home to office, now office 25 kilometer per hour, 25 kilometer per hour, and return back 50 kilometer per hour, 50 kilometer per hour, the distance, now total time taken is 4 hours. Then find the distance. Now again I am taking the house and office here. This is the home, this is the office. Now this distance is also again constant here. Now distance is I am taking here, total distance is x here. Now but a man is going to home after 25 kilometer per hour and return back is 50 kilometer per hour. The speed is increases and return back here. Then the relative speed is equal to, now find the distance. Distance is equal to, now distance is x here. X by the first is 25 kilometers minus x by 50 is equal to total time taken. What is the total time taken is 4 hours. Now I am calculating x is 50 is, so again here what multiply with 2 into x minus 50 ones are 50, x is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 50 into 4 is equal to 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers. Now here I am taking that problem is 200 kilometers. Now this one is 100 kilometers. So here now again I am taking is a difference of this product. Now see the shortcut method, what here I am taking here, this is the product of this one, this is the product of this one divided by now 20 minus here 10 is equal to, what is this one again 10 multiply with the time period, this is the shortcut method to here. First problem is 10 into 20. Now difference of these speeds is equal to 20 minus 10 into what is the time period? Time period is given 5. Multiply with 5. What is this one here? 10 into 20 divided by 10. 10 will be cancelled into 5 is equal to 100 kilometers. Now same in the way, now I am taking this one. Now tell me the shortcut method. What is this shortcut method here? The product of speeds, shall I take like this? Product of speeds divided by difference of speeds into time period. This is the formula to using the, now product of speeds, what is the product of speed? 25 into what is the 50, 25 into 50. Difference of product, what is the difference of product? 50 minus 25 into what is the time period? In 4 hours. So here 25 into 50 divided by 25 into 4, 25 will be cancelled. How many? 2 200 kilometers. Now you see that these two problems, what is the variation? Nothing but, so two problems will be same, but now the approaching is here. I am taking the export is the distance is constant, I am taking like this, or otherwise the shortcut method, product of these two variables 10 into 20 divided by difference of these speeds into time period, you can calculate it like this. So this is the problem to solving the when the office to when the home to office or office to home or school to office or school to village to school or village to school or school to village, like this. Now see the one more problem.